Good afternoon, my good people. Long time. Happy Sunday. I know so many of una go say, this girl, Gloria no come show up again. Gloria no come show up again. And so, my brother, we don't come again today. Oh, first of all, I want to address something. I thank you people that watch our video, those that subscribe. Thank for promoting us. May God bless all of us. And another issue again now. Those of us where they comment for our video, my brothers and my sisters, not beside here to insult anybody or to tell somebody what to do. Normal ground, everybody know what to do. But I beg, we dey here, na learn we dey, all of us, na learn we dey. Those of us where say we know well, we know everything. I beg, no come distract we wey no know where we dey here dey learn, because we dey here dey learn. Anything when I no know, they will see drop am down, all of us go talk am together. But the little one when I still know, we will see dey here to share am with people where they never see understand. Because this Europe where we dey, not be matter of today 20 years 30 years, not be we take dey understand everything finish, because law strong, law dey work for here. We no go take care take compare our country where we say we get president, but the law not be like this place. Every day law dey change and e dey strong. So we need to know wetin dey go on, to know how we go waka, to know how we go take do for this Europe where we dey. That is why we are here. Now make us we dey come outside, dey bring our little opinion to share with our friends, family, just like that. But some people they think say we dey here to play. No problem. But for those of us who know wetin we dey do, God go bless all of us. And so it be. Abeg, may we know wetin we dey comment. May we know wetin we dey comment. Because this word when I dey even dey talk, not be only for our video, but for many people video. If you no wan watch person video, so free pass am. They no send you application. No be quarrel. We no dey quarrel. May your way not because no understand. Thank you, my fans. And another thing again be say last for our video we talk about people going for commission in no more commission in Torino. But people go say, wetin come dey happen? Which one be no more commission in Torino? They don't know what to say again. Yes, we know. Now, I don't know say that they go commission for outside Torino. We were dey Torino, Brescia, Milano. They go commission for them now. And I beg my people, those of us who get documents, we thank God. Those who never see get, una no lose hope. Una go see una documents. That one na for sure. Na for sure. Just the only thing, make we take our story as our reading. You know, as person dey memorize the story every time, make sure you know everything about your story. No fear, no dey let people dey deceive you. The commission no be nothing dey. Go there, talk wetin carry you come. Tell them the reason, the good reason, wetin dey pursue you, wetin happen. Na be the only thing. They no dey do person one thing for there. Say maybe if you reach there, story where you talk, na question go come out from. That is why e good when you sit down. We know say na money we find come, but at the same time, that story where go give you the document, sit down and memorize the story. No let people come dey say, if people get document, happy with them, don't worry, your time is coming. No give up. You get 1 year na document, you get 2 years na document. Me I dey keep on telling you people, 2 years document. 5 years, all document na the same. It depend on as who you as the way you take the document take work, the way it take function when e dey with you. Because many people dey say 2 years document na problem oh, thank God I don get 5 years oh. My dear brothers and sisters, inside we wey know wetin we dey talk, when we enter house we know. Make we not try to deceive people abeg. Like say we wan come dey na im be the social media fake life. Dem call am fake life. Na im be wetin dey trend everywhere now. We go plaster face. Go dey deceive others. You are deceiving yourself, not be people you dey deceive. But those of us wey still dey go look those one, see this guy yo, since he jant oh, see am as he don be. My dear sister, no life for that one. All those one are fake life. No look person live your life the way it pleases you, and not look say this one see how e dey fresh. My dear, you don't know the secrets. You don't know the secrets. You no understand. This 5 years of 18, another problem, but people no know. You know say that they talk 5 years. 5 years, you know say you get two different type. Two type of 5 years 9 day. The 2 5 years, you get your own function. The two are not the same. One of the 5 years, na kata sojourner you go fit only take an exchange for future. While the other one, na citizen after e expire. And e no compulsory say if e expire that first 5 years, they will give you citizenship. E no compulsory, my brothers and sisters. E no compulsory say if you get the 5 years, if you no work, they no. E no compulsory oh, you must work. You go work. I don't want to give you the citizenship to show say you go fit stay this country. You know dey work. How you want to pay your house rent? How you want to pay your water bill, your light bill, gas bill? How? They will just carry citizen. My dear brother, all of us, we need to work towards our documents. Make we no dey deceive ourselves say we don get 5 years. Na no you get problem like this. I know say nobody dey pray for problem. But brother, sister, we need to work towards it. Because that 5 years, they follow many things. And most of us wey no know the way where they do document, make we no dey deceive people. Make we no, they go dey call kata sojourner 00. You know wetin they call 00? Kata sojourner na 00. Abeg, if you no know something, try to ask question. No dey let people dey deceive us. Costura, they no dey cut people neck. If you dey mistake for something, go any costura where dey beside you. Go there, ask question. They go explain for you. Whites, they too dey calmer. They are ready for you anytime, any day. Make we no dey fear say if we go there, they go mind you. They go mind you. Go ask question when you no understand. They go explain well for you. Make we no dey carry wrong information dey waka say kata sojourner na 00. If we just get 2 years later, they will give us citizenship. Na kata sojourner, all na paper. But make we no dey mistake something for another thing. Make we try dey put things in order. Wetin you no know, not just talk say you know and finish. The way where you know reach. Na there another person you want to start. You know say some of our people, we go say we know. We no know finish. That is why we dey here dey learn every day. Me, as I dey here, so not be everything I know. That is why we dey here. The one when I no know, people go see lecture me. They go put am, we go discuss am together. And most of us where they go put something, they go draw video, they will say, hey, useless Benin girls. Abeg, those of you, abeg, nobody useless for life. Make we no dey use our mouth dey condemn people, because this your mouth now we dey condemn people. E no good. No, but we not there yet to talk about how people useless. Now to correct some things when not there in order. Una fit correct me for real. Una fit correct my husband. That is for real. E no mean as we dey here we no finish. No, we no know finish. We are here to learn. We are here to learn. Una no dey see person say they drop issue na useless on one thing. No. They say Ghana boys they're useless. No, we are wrong. Okay, if we say Benin girls they're useless, Ghana boys they're useless. Which people not useless? Which people be the good people? When be the good people so? Where them? Every state, every country, bad ones dey, good ones dey. Abeg, make we no dey calculate all dey join. Abeg, make we know what we go dey comment for people video. Abeg, because na learn we dey learn, no be to insult, no be to cause fight. And most of them wey dey go put sansan for people garri, abeg, una know wetin I dey talk. If una know say dis oyibo people, una no fit marry them, wetin make una dey go say una wan go there go stay? Una go stay 1 year, 2 years, una go carry money run. People wey ready to dey, una no block their road. Una no, because dem come dey think say na everybody na bad, all Nigeria girls na bad. They don na be wetin they don let all the whites dem dey know now say all of us will not good. Which is bad. Which is bad. Life no, this Europe not be like before where they go say mugu for guy man work. If you fall this time, guy man no dey work oh, they will catch you oh. Oyibo they don wicked oh, they no get sympathy like before again oh. May we know as we go dey play with somebody's heart. They know as we go dey play with people's hearts. Abeg. E no good. And another thing again, most of us when we dey Africa, they watch we wey dey Europe. They go see us on Facebook. This guy say I don fresh oh. My brother, my sister, na the weather, nothing else again. All of us will be the same. Nothing dey happen. Nothing oh. No come reason that one. All those things wey you dey see for social media, Facebook, fake lives. Now you dey see for them. So if you like, you go follow those ones. Now you know. Now you know. Because Europe not be like Africa. No matter how it is. Europe, most of us, we know ourselves. We know, not be say we know ourselves. Europe, they too get oyibo, they too get sympathy. They get where you go fit go for Europe here. You go carry clothes, children clothes, even food. So we wey dey Africa, if una dey watch people wey dey social media, una go dey think say na lie oh. Everything na that determination, ambition, focus, and you will achieve what you want to achieve in life. No, no, they look people where they live fake life. They deceive us. I don't dey for fake life. Abeg, my people, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching our video. Very soon we'll see come give you another ogbonge news again. Thank you very much. We love you all. Mwah, mwah.